Okay, and I'm going to go back in. I'm going to use my sponge, and I'm going to blend out my concealer underneath my brow. And I'm going to go back in and use my angle brush and blend that out for you guys. And then I'm just going to go over towards the top. So I'm just trying to make them look even as possible. I think that's close enough. Alright, and now we're going to use some purple eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Drawing Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm going to, oops, had the wrong brush. I'm going to use the color purple, which is called Harmony, and I'm going to blend it on the outer side. I'm going to do it like that so it's actually showing. And then I'm going to use like my orange color. It's like a reddish orange. I'm going to apply it right next to it. I'm going to use some yellow. I'm going to apply that towards the front, like towards the inner corner of my eye. And I do have some gold, the Queen Cleopatra inspired. I know I done dug out all the gold, but I like this gold because it shows up more. I'm just gonna blend that out. Oops, I got makeup all in my shirt. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses long felt tip eyeliner in the color black, and I'm going to draw it outward. You can do it like this, or you can use the end point of your eyebrow and draw it out like that, and then just go in and fill it in. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure that it's all even. Pleasure for you. Oh, thank you. The eyelashes I'm going to apply is going to be I Envy Crystal Glow Marquise. And these are the lashes. This is how the lashes look. I'm going to apply my favorite lash glue. So these are the lashes. And I'm going to use my 3D Super Strong Hold in the color Clear. I'm going to apply around the rim of the lashes. That's how it looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply. So I'm going to apply close together. And I'm going to use two of my hands. Okay. So I'm going to use my Classic Tan foundation. So yes, they are intact, my lashes. And I'm going to use this Kiss Professional 332 Classic Tan. And I'm going to use probably something a little darker. And we're going to see how well that blends. But I forgot to put the face primer like always, but I'm going to put it on the rest of the skin here. So I am using the Hydration Grip by iEnvy face primer. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. primer grip spray. And I'm going to spray it on the brush. And I'm going to do it like that, pat it all the way in. And as you guys can see, it's blended in. And I'm going to go right behind and use a sponge. So to blend in that consistency of the concealer and foundation so it look very natural. And let me see, I'm going to draw my winger out just a little bit to have it more even on the opposite side. And then I'm going to use my Cool Cafe 2-in-1 Concealer Foundation. I'm going to apply it around the lip area. And one last thing we're going to apply is some blush. And that is the final look. As you guys see, this is the model that I am recreating in the back. I hope you guys did enjoy the content and the makeup look. I think I nailed it very close to the model that is shown. So I think that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me see. Let me add more orange before we go. I need more of a reddish orange. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. I will still be on YouTube, so if you want to come over to YouTube, the subscription will be in my bio. So come on over to YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.